everyone, and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha, and today we'll be constructing a hydrangea flower pen. Here's an example. Okay, in your kit you will find a hydrangea flower, greenery, a pen, and green painter's tape. What's not in your kit, but you will still need, are scissors. You do not need adult scissors, you can actually use kids' scissors. And scissors is something most people have at home. So go ahead and grab those. Your first step would be to tape these two together, your greenery and your flower. So you just want a little bit of your painter's tape, just enough to wrap them. It makes it easier to put together. And wrap it pretty tightly. Perfect, it's like a mini bouquet. And then you are going to add it to the top of your pen. So we're going to wrap green painter's tape starting at the top, and then we're going to wrap it all the way around to include our little bouquet, and we're going to cover our pen up until the point where the cap is, because you still want the cap to go back on your pen. So notice it changes a little bit in color. It's a little darker at the bottom. I don't know if you can see in the video, but there's a piece internally which makes it a little darker. So that's where you're going to stop. So use that as a guide.
Did you know in many flowers it is the job of the petals to attract insects so that pollen can be transferred to other flowers? This process is called pollination. The pollen then joins together with the ovules and produces new seeds.